guys, how are we today? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you could tell by the title, we are going to be opening the May base box and premium box for Boxy Charm. Here's the deal. It's been kind of booty lately, and I know a lot of people say
it's been booty for a while. You're just getting on the right page.
But it has, it really has. So this right now is going to determine if I'm going to keep it next month or not. I have, if you watch any of my other videos, I did do that starter box for the FabFitFun, but that was like the February box, and then I got another one, and I'm gonna get that one. I think I'm gonna get the summer box, is what I'm trying to tell you. So I've noticed, before I open this, I've noticed lately, and especially the choice for the June boxes, are a lot of just repeats from the beginning of the year, and even stuff that people got in this box. One of them was the milk, was it like a lip tint and like a blush or something? And I think a lot of people got that as a choice. That was like one of the choices for next month. So, I mean, I understand with like the shutdown and everything, it's a little harder. I'm sure it's harder to get in touch with like suppliers and things, but I mean, let's be real. At least go back in your catalog a little further than that. And I'm pretty sure a lot of it, if not all of it, is repeats and kind of booty ones, if at that. So we're gonna see, we're gonna do that blind pick because that's fun for me. And we're gonna start with the base box. All right, so now I'm gonna go in. Makeup removing Dead Sea mineral with vitamin C serum makeup removing wipes. I mean, I'm gonna open it just to smell it because it sounds like it smells funny, but so I mean, I don't really use wipes. That kind of smells nice though. I don't really use wipes. All right, next thing. Okay, so this is what I did choose, was the LME resurfacing wipes, because I've been using the First Aid brand, is it First Aid ones? And I do like how it works on my skin. I do like these. I use them a couple times a week. So I'm hoping those worked as good as those other ones. We'll see. I've got Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in a really weird, flimsy, like, this is like a plastic. It doesn't really even fit on there. It was off in the thing. I'm so confused. This is a lip pencil. So that's that.
I don't have a pencil sharpener, so I don't even know if I'll be able to use this.
And a Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. Let's see what the consistency is of it, because that's always a big determining factor for me. It's quite smooth. That's a good thing. Oh, I got the Violet Voss Essentials palette. Let's try this emerald. Oh, that's all right. That's pretty. It's not like it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be, but let's try this one. That pink is pretty. Let's try the Plumberry. Plumberry. Ooh, that's pretty. You know, that's not bad. I kind of like that. So that's not too bad. This one's black, and then we'll do one more cinnamon because, ooh, that was soft. Ooh, lots of fallout with that one, but not bad. I might actually use this bad boy. Huh. So,
Why don't you use that makeup remover wipe on your arm?
Because I don't wanna.
all right, so let's break this down for you. 29. These are $60, $59. The eye primer, $22. These wipes, $17. And this janky Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil is $16. So the total MSRP for the base box that I received was $143. About half the stuff I'm happy with. So now we're going to get into the premium box. I can't tell you what I chose for this one. Like I said, I remember I chose this wipes. This one, Okay, so if you know, okay, so when it was choice, it was the Too Faced Matte Chocolate Bronzer. Matte, okay? And I was like, oh my god, I like that, I want that, because I've got like, my favorite bronzer is shimmery, but I want like a matte one because I don't want that part of my face to be shimmery. So that's what I got. And then a couple days later it says, hey, so you chose the gold bronzer, which is a shimmery bronzer, and that's what you're gonna get. So I emailed them and they said, oh no, matte wasn't a choice. It was the golds. That was the like snarkiest email I've ever gotten. It made me so irritated. And I was just like, they're like, you can change it if you want to. And we'll open it back up, but then they didn't send me a link for that. And then I couldn't find it on the website. Listen, I don't know what it is about really snarky. I mean, when I ask people questions, I've worked customer service and I just try to be like, if I don't know what I'm looking for. Hey, I don't know what the deal is with this. This is the email I got or whatever. I try to phrase it really nice because I get it. It's like, it can be a hard job dealing with assholes, but don't come at me like an asshole. It really irritates me. Keep that to yourself. I mean, you're doing email customer service. Talk shit with your mouth, right? Type nice words. I've done it. Trust me, I've gotten some people. Learn a thing or two about customer service, sweetheart. All right, so we're gonna go in here. Let's get this small box. What is this? The Tarte Sugar Rush Best Buds Lip Butter Balm. Lip Butter Balm. I remember seeing it, but I didn't know what it was. I mean, it says peony, but it smells like cotton candy. It's really smooth and it smells good. It's just so cute and it reminds me of being a teenager. And next we have, let's get a small box and see what this is. This is that milk thing I was telling you about a minute ago. It is the Milk Astro, what is it? Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. A sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. So again, this was a choice for either the premium or the Boxy Luxe because that's what I'm subscribed to. This is it. This is the one you get. I mean, that's really smooth and it's kind of nice. All right, next. Does anything, I just want to know if anything feels fun. Kevin, whatever his name is, the Expert Mascara. See what this looks like. Whoa. So we'll see how that works. I've never had a wand that particular shape before. Get that full false lash look in seconds.
This mascara with Japanese camellia seed oil volumizes, lengthens, and lifts for dramatic, glorious lashes.
We shall see, Kevin. We shall see. All right, next. I think this is gonna be, that's it. The bronzer. It's a bigger pack than I thought it was going to be, but it's the Luminous. I like the packaging though. It's like, ugh, it's cute. So here she is. What I'll do is, I mean, I'm too bronze. I can't try it. I was gonna try it and then I was like, no, if I put too much more on here, it's gonna look crazy. All right, so I mean, it's cute, it's sturdy. It went on lighter than I thought, but it is very gold flaky, if that makes sense. I'll show you. It's like you can see that. It's like gold. I mean, it's called gold, chocolate gold, which might be a little too much for me, but we will see. All right, so as I'm editing this, I'm actually looking at the slip, and as you can see, it actually says matte bronzer and not gold bronzer for it. So yeah, there's that. All right, let's see what this is. Centella 90 Ampule. It's this. Pure Heals. Let me see if I can, there we go.
A soothing serum containing 90% of Centella asiatica extract relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier.
So this would be a good one to wear during the day, I would say, and then my other one at night. Oh! I don't know if I'll be able to wear that. It smells like, is it peppermint? It smells like my man's beard wash.
Right?
So it's like peppermint. That's what it smells like, peppermint. All right, last one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our 6th thing is Baddington. A brush set.
Ugh.
Remember last month when I was so into brushes? Now I'm over it. So what is it, face brushes? Oh yeah, powder brush, contour brush. These look like just two, like a bullet brush that I'm assuming, is that, what is it, powder? Your powder brush and contour brush? So these, I mean, they're soft. They don't, they seem to be, like, you know when you look at them and they've got like weird hangies, these ones don't really seem to have many, which is good. Oh no!
Stop it.
You want to see this bullshit right here? These two brushes. I'm gonna let you read it because I can't even say it. So we're looking right here. All right, so again, here is, I get into a little bit of a rant here because, I mean, this is increasingly frustrating that I found with this box. $90 for 2 brushes, that's ridiculous. It was just something to boost the price. And something I've found is I've started to look up these websites when there's something that looks like it does not match up, when it's a brand I've never heard of. And it's usually some weird website where they're only selling like that and something else, or that's all they found. And I just, like I said, from here I go into a weird like rant that I'm not going to show you because I kind of frustrated myself with it. But you know, I go on the websites and I talk about other products from previous boxes that I've gone on the website, and it's from like an LLC or something with just the stuff that they have, like they're having in their box. So it's like they use these companies to get cheap shit, put it on their website, to make it look like this thing really costs $90 for these 2 brushes. In reality, they cost 2. I mean, that might be a legitimate business, that's fine, but I found other ones that are just so much worse. And I mean, not only that, like for instance, I did an add-on this month and I got some headphones, and they are quote unquote $60, and what I got, they are so flimsy, so cheap, so uncomfortable. The quality is horrible, and then when you look up the brand online, you only find them on the website for BoxyCharm as one of their products. So how many of these things that they're trying to you know, they're boosting the MSRP of a box by adding in these high, quote unquote, high dollar items that aren't even high dollar items. They're cheap stuff that they're lying on other websites or even on their website that are more expensive. So that's what I go into. I say, you know, if you're curious, there's some brands, double check the brands that you don't really recognize, and then it's going to be very sketchy on where you find these products, if you find them anywhere but BoxyCharm at all. So that's an explanation. I'm sorry I got really super ranty, but I cut out like 10-15 minutes of me checking websites and citing things, but because I didn't really, there's no need for me to get into that. But if you're curious, just do a little research on what you got. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, I will get back into this. Thank you for bearing with me. So the total MSRP of this is $204. I'm done. For now, with BoxyCharm. I'm having trouble with FabFitFun. My website's not working. I'm unable to customize it right now for some reason. But I will be getting the summer box for that if you are interested in seeing that. I probably have another starter box, which I will open. We'll see what's in there. I'm people who kind of told me, but I'll open it and see it. But I have subscribed to get to the next summer box Like I said, I have not been able to go into customization, so it might just all be a mystery to me. So we shall see. Thank you for watching. I know that I've had a rant and a ramble, and I just went off on one. I'm sorry. It's gotten to me. But thank you for thank you for watching. If you want to see how I did this look, you can click the card right here or subscribe right here. That's the first time I've done that, and it felt really weird. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're staying happy and healthy and safe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!